Crypto has been a technology that's controversial.
Blockchain cruises on YouTube, crypto raves in Miami, multi-million-dollar Super Bowl commercials.
Fortune favors the brave.
In blockchain, where trust and decentralization are key, human psychology plays a significant role in adoption. Behavioral economics dives deep into understanding the psychological factors influencing user behavior, providing insights that can shape blockchain design and make it more appealing and effective. While traditional economic models assume that people always act rationally, behavioral economics shows that our decisions are often influenced by emotions, biases, and social factors. This deeper understanding of human behavior is crucial for blockchain's widespread adoption and for designing incentive structures that drive user participation. Understanding user behavior. User behavior in blockchain systems is heavily influenced by a variety of psychological and social factors. Recognizing these factors allows designers to create systems that better align with how real people make decisions, leading to more successful networks. Psychological factors. Influencing blockchain. Adoption trust is the cornerstone of blockchain adoption. In a decentralized system where users may not know or trust each other, they need to trust the technology itself. Blockchain's transparency, immutability, and decentralization can enhance this trust, but other concerns like privacy, regulatory issues, and the technical complexity of blockchain can act as barriers. Educating users about how blockchain works, ensuring privacy protections, and simplifying technical processes are essential steps in overcoming these hurdles. Trust is built through clear communication and transparency, and once trust is established, users are more likely to engage deeply with blockchain systems. Ease of use is another significant factor. While blockchain technology promises a lot of benefits, its complexity can be a barrier to entry. Many users struggle to understand the technical details of blockchain systems, and this lack of understanding can prevent them from adopting the technology. Simplifying user interfaces and making blockchain platforms more intuitive is crucial for gaining mainstream adoption. Providing easy-to-use applications that seamlessly integrate with existing systems can bridge this gap and encourage more users to participate. Social influence also plays a crucial role in blockchain adoption. People tend to follow the recommendations and behaviors of those they trust, whether peers, influencers, or authority figures. When influential figures in the tech or financial industry endorse a blockchain platform, it can drive significant interest and participation. Moreover, communities around blockchain projects can create a sense of belonging and shared purpose, which encourages ongoing engagement. Social proof, in the form of testimonials or endorsements, can accelerate the adoption process and provide confidence to potential users. Behavioral biases and their impact on incentive structures. Behavioral biases are systematic patterns of deviation from rational decision-making, and they can significantly impact how users interact with blockchain systems. Understanding these biases is essential for creating incentive structures that account for real-world human behavior. One of the most important biases to consider is loss aversion. Loss aversion refers to the human tendency to prefer avoiding losses rather than acquiring equivalent gains. This bias means that people are more motivated by the fear of losing something than by the prospect of gaining something of equal value. In the context of blockchain, loss aversion can be leveraged to design more effective incentive structures. For example, systems that penalize dishonest or non-compliant behavior, such as the slashing mechanism in proof-of-stake systems, can deter malicious actions more effectively than simply offering rewards for good behavior. The fear of losing staked assets or rewards can be a powerful motivator for users to act in the network's best interest. Overconfidence bias is another behavioral quirk that can affect blockchain users. This bias leads people to overestimate their knowledge, skills, or control over outcomes. In blockchain, overconfidence can lead to risky behavior, such as investing in speculative projects or failing to implement adequate security measures. This bias can be mitigated by providing users with educational resources, encouraging responsible behavior, and implementing features like multi-signature wallets or automated risk management systems. By acknowledging and addressing overconfidence, blockchain designers can create safer, more stable ecosystems. Another common bias is herd behavior. When users see others flocking to a new blockchain project, they may follow without fully understanding the risks. This behavior can lead to market bubbles, as seen in the surge of ICOs during 2017. Herd behavior can be managed by ensuring users have transparent, unbiased information and promoting informed decision-making. Empowered with knowledge, users are less likely to follow the crowd blindly and more likely to make thoughtful, rational decisions. Anchoring bias also affects blockchain. This occurs when individuals rely heavily on the first piece of information they receive, the anchor. In blockchain, users might base decisions on initial token prices or promotions, even if market conditions change. To counteract this, designers can implement dynamic pricing models or adjustable rewards to offer flexibility. Reducing reliance on initial information leads to fairer, more balanced incentive structures. User engagement is crucial for building blockchain systems that attract and retain participants long-term. It goes beyond rewards and penalties. It involves creating experiences that resonate with users' motivations. Gamification, or integrating game-like elements into non-game contexts, is a powerful tool for boosting user engagement in blockchain. It transforms routine tasks into engaging experiences, driving active participation. Points and levels are effective strategies. Users can earn tokens or points for participating in network activities like staking or contributing. As they accumulate points, they unlock new levels or rewards, motivating them to stay engaged. Leaderboards add a competitive element, displaying top-performing users. This can drive users to increase activity and climb the ranks, enhancing engagement, especially in decentralized networks. Challenges and rewards also stimulate activity. Blockchain projects can set goals like completing transactions or achieving milestones, rewarding users who meet these challenges with tokens or exclusive features. This sense of achievement fosters ongoing participation. Personalization increases engagement by tailoring user experiences based on behavior. Personalized recommendations or notifications make content more relevant and encourage continued interaction with the system. Building strong communities is also essential. Engaging users through forums, social media, and events fosters loyalty. A connected community drives long-term participation and success. Rewards and penalties are central to blockchain incentive structures. Properly designed systems encourage participation while discouraging harmful behavior. Direct rewards like tokens incentivize contributions, whether tied to transactions, staking, or governance. Bonus structures add extra motivation by rewarding users for exceeding performance milestones. Referral programs can expand the user base by encouraging current participants to bring in new members. This helps projects grow and increase engagement. Penalties like slashing and fees deter dishonest behavior. In proof-of-stake systems, users engaging in malicious actions risk losing assets, ensuring they follow network rules. Transaction fees or penalties for failing to meet requirements also discourage undesirable behavior, maintaining the ecosystem's integrity. Incentive structures grounded in behavioral economics can transform blockchain into a user-friendly system that aligns with human behavior. By understanding psychological factors and incorporating gamification, reward, and penalty mechanisms, blockchain networks become more dynamic and appealing. Blockchain adoption hinges not just on technical superiority, but on creating experiences people trust and enjoy, fostering long-term commitment.